go ahead. Ah, no. You missed it. You cannot hold the knife, the spoon, and the fork at the same time. Okay? So this is what is going to happen. You hold the knife on your right hand. Let's assume you want to cut the meat. Now, watch me. So the knife on your right hand. Okay, so this has more strength, this has more grip. So you use this to hold it down, your left to hold it down, and then this has more grip, so you cut with this. Watch me, watch. So when you cut into smaller sizes, and then you can pick with the left, and it goes this way. Now that's step one. Okay, let's try it. You pin it down, then you cut with the right. You cut with the right. You have to cut on some, the soft part. Hold on. Don't worry, I'm here. I'll teach you. Okay, hold it. Hold it. No, not that way. Hold this way, just hold.
Okay.
Okay, come on. Just hold this way. And then you can just cut. Okay? You can cut. Okay, this one is a bit tough, so look for an easier, and then you cut this way. Okay. So I'm going to cut out a big chunk for you, so that you can practice with a smaller chunk. Okay, so now this is a smaller chunk. So you pin this down this way, and you cut this way, and then you can pick this way. So let me see you try.
Thank you.
So cut this piece, let's see. Yeah, so you cut that into two. You apply a bit of pressure now, so you can cut. Keep going. Then you pick with your left into your mouth. Okay, nice, but you don't have to hold this way. Like you pick, you pick and you go. So there's a certain finesse to it.
Okay.
You don't dig and go, nah. So you pick and you go. There's a little finesse to it. Okay, come on now. Keep practicing. You get it, huh? Right. Come on, let's go. Good. Now that's not too bad. Huh? Merci beaucoup. Right. Okay, while I pick mine. This is a bit heavy though, but I can handle it.
It's too thick.